Hello everybody, this is Bill Williams. Welcome to another Trahan Creek Outdoors video. In today's video, I'll be doing a seed unboxing. Stay tuned, coming up next. Here we have a standard USPS priority mail package that arrived today, and we're going to do an unboxing. I ordered these seeds, as you will see here, from a company known as Seed Barn. However, they were sent from Seed Ranch and Seed World USA. So what we now find, just in terms of understanding here, is that these internet companies go by a number of different names. What they do is they create websites, each one of which has catalogs and pricing and so forth, that look like standalone companies, but they're all the same. They're all the same, or they're all owned by the same people. So if you buy seed from Seed Barn, or you buy seed from Seed Ranch, or Seed World USA, it's all coming from the same folks. Now, having said that, so is that a problem? No, it is not. I have repeatedly bought seed from Seed Ranch. They've had very good service, very fast shipping, and decent prices. So usually they're where I go, but for whatever reason, for these particular seeds, the prices were better at Seed Barn's website. And as I say, they're all coming from the same place. However, it's just a sort of a gimmick out on the internet to create as many sites as you can, to capture as many views as you can from as many different sources as possible, and then it really doesn't matter who sells what. So let's take a quick look at the websites. Here is Seed Barn, B-A-R-N. The next one is Seed Ranch, R-A-N-C-H. And the third one is Seed World USA. Notice how similar they are. Like I say, they're all coming from the same basic company. So anyway, the package came in, and I want to say this before we open it. What I ordered was 2 different packages of seeds. I ordered it Friday last week. This is Friday this week. And so here is one of the 2 packages. Wednesday, I got concerned because I didn't have any confirmation that the order had been shipped. So I called customer service, and customer service did an excellent job. I have to say, good customer service. They went back to the back, essentially, the guy did, to check on what was going on and find out where my order stood. And the bottom line was they had some of the seeds in stock, but one bag of Rackmaster seeds they were out of, one particular kind that I ordered. So they had to order it from Rackmaster, and I was told it'll be a couple of days. What they offered to do, though, was to send the seed they already had at their expense. Free shipping to me on that package, and go and get it out. So here it is. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to open this sucker right now. I'm going to slice into it, and we'll unbox it here in just a second. I love my box cutters. For some reason, I'm just a knife addict. I like slicing things. Anyway, what we've got here inside the box is, looks like 2 packages. Maybe they got my other seed in. We will see. Now this one, I probably did this accidentally. I kind of slit that package open. So let's go ahead and look in and see what we got in here in this particular package. All right, so what this is a sack within a sack. Let me see if I can get that out. Hold on just a second. So, yes, I got it out. Here we go. And as you see, the label actually says Seed Ranch, despite the fact that I ordered it from Seed Barn. But anyway, as I say, they're all the same. Here is the Frosty Berseem Clover seed. This is new for me to try this year. It's highly recommended. A lot of places have had good results. And Mississippi State University, which I'm not a fan of, but they're our ag university here in the state, has done some extensive testing with this particular seed and had very good results in an agricultural application such as pasture seeding. So it should work good for deer. Actually, they've seen some of it able to withstand temperatures down to 5 degrees. We don't usually get 5-degree weather here in Mississippi, so this should be good for just about any climate we have during the wintertime. So anyway, we got our sack there, 5-pound sack. I don't remember what the price was on it. It was a decent price, though. You can check their current price in their website or their catalogs or whatever. This was tested for germination 9 of 2019, and it germinated rather low, it looks like, basically 86%. 34% inert matter. Don't particularly like that either. So, germination was 83%. 83. Make that a correction. I read it wrong. All right, that's one sack. Let's see what we got in the other sack. Let me get that one open. Okay, the second sack is just more of the same. Some more Frosty Berseem Clover seed. Total cost of $44.95 on my ticket for the Frosty Berseem, no tax. That's a good price. That is not bad at all for a decent clover. It's not Durana, it's not Patriot. Those are $8 a pound clovers, but this is not bad. And these folks are at www.seedranch.com. There's the telephone number right there. And if you need a wild card coupon, feel free to use 777. Maybe that might save you some money. I don't know. We'll see. But this is a good company. They've always sent me good seed, fresh seed that worked. This is inoculated seed, so I'm anxious to get it planted. This will be my first time to plant Frosty Berseem Clover, so I'm anxious to see how it does in a real food plot situation. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe because I will be doing a follow-up video. So I do invite you to subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you do support my channel, I really thank you and appreciate everything you do for me and my channel. I hope you have a good hunting season. Thank you for watching my videos. See you on the next one.